Hello everybody from Plant Reviews. Today is the 20th of January and I'm talking today about a fruit called miracle fruit or miracle berry, and it is this small red fruit that I bought from myexoticfruits.com. It's a very nice website. I've bought several different types of exotic fruits from them, and I have to say I'm very satisfied of their service. And this miracle berry is basically a fruit that is called miracle berry because when you eat it, changes the taste, the flavor of sour and acid fruits or foods anyway. So what I will do today is just taste a little bit of mustard and capers, lemon juice and Brussels sprouts and garlic before I eat the miracle berry and afterwards. I will start as usual with talking about this miracle berry and the plant that is from. The plant is called Synsepalum dulcificum. This is the scientific name, and is generally called miracle berry or miracle fruit. The plant is in the family Sapotaceae, so it's a relative of the lucuma and of the egg fruit or canistel. The lucuma is called Puteria lucuma and the canistel is called Puteria campeciana. And also is a relative of the Mamei sapote, the Puteria sapote. These are all exotic fruit that are also edible, and I actually recommend you to eat because they are very nice, quite creamy. The plant is native to West Africa, and it is a shrub. You can see here a young plant actually, but you can see on the website Tropical also a picture. Oh well, this is a different species, the subcordatum. However, it is a plant that can reach, I think, well, this guy is taking a picture near his miracle berry, and it is a shrub that grows about 4.5 meters from West Africa. The flowers are, well, you can see actually the leaves are bright green, and it's a very luscious foliage, as you can see, very nice, and the flowers are actually quite small. They are, I'm not sure about the size. They should be probably about 1 or 2 centimeters. This is a website actually that explains how to grow the miracle berry, and I'll post this article on the YouTube description of the video because I found it very interesting if you want to cultivate this one at all. And however, after pollination of the flowers, that themselves are not that beautiful, as you can see, the berries start to develop, and the fruit is about 2 centimeters long, as you can see. The berry itself has a low sugar content, and it has a mild sweet flavor. This is what I found in the description. I will tell you right now when I try it. But the thing is that this berry contains actually a glycoprotein. There is a protein combined with a carbohydrate, and it's called miraculin. The miraculin binds to the receptor of the tongue, in the tongue, the taste receptors of the tongue at a neutral pH, and at an acid pH, that is the acidity, the pH of your mouth once you eat acid or sour, usually acid fruits or food items. The miraculin basically activate the sweet receptors of the tongue, so it changes the flavor, and this happens when the fleshy part of the fruit is eaten. There's only usually one seed per fruit. The effect of the berry lasts about 30 minutes and then is washed away until it's washed away by saliva, so usually about 15-30 minutes after eating the berry. The use of the berry was first described in West Africa by an explorer called Chevalier de Marchais in the 18th century, and he noticed that the berry was eaten by local people before eating meals. They were chewing this berry. The fruit is also used in tasting events where people consume first sour and bitter foods or drink, like again lemons, garlic, onions, mustard, vinegar, etc. And then after eating the berry, they observe the, well, no, they not observe, they feel the change in flavor. About the cultivation of this plant, it's very important that you have to plant the seed immediately because it kind of dies, it's not viable after a few days after getting it out of the fruit. And it's very important that the compost, the medium that we put in the pot is very acid. And also this plant thrives in quite a humid environment and in partial shade. So let's try, first of all, I will try these items. So I have garlic, Brussels sprouts, lemon, capers, and mustard. So, well, I'll get them first. Well, I'll squeeze a bit of lemon in my glass. And then I'll cut a bit of garlic. So I'll start with the lemon juice. Yeah, it's quite acid, I would say. Then a bit of garlic. Pretty sour. I'll go for half Brussels sprout. Yeah, quite sour, definitely. Very salty caper. And, well, kind of tasted with vinegar. Mustard. So I'll try now the miracle berry. Let's cut it up and see if I can get... Okay, so the seed is actually quite big, covers almost the entire fruit. As you can see, so I'll just kind of suck it. It's actually quite a big seed. Yeah, it is kind of sweet. Got to get out just the skin of the fruit. The skin is quite dry anyway, suppose the miraculin is already getting the effect. I am drinking again the lemon juice. It really tastes like lemonade now. I can still feel a bit of acidity, but definitely not as much as before. This I can still strongly feel the mustard. The Brussels sprout still tastes bitter. And the garlic still tastes like garlic. The caper taste is definitely still like a caper. So probably doesn't work much on salty or savory food. These are very salty anyway. Maybe not even much on the bitter. Probably it's the acid ones that works better. Yes, definitely. So yeah, if you have to try to eat the miracle berry, just go on the acidic one. I will try now on an orange that tastes sweet anyway. Very, very sweet. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Well, it's a nice miracle berry to change the flavor of lemons and oranges, but I would say not try with capers or mustard, because it wouldn't affect, or the Brussels sprout or the garlic wouldn't change much the flavor. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like the video, it would be great if you please give it a thumbs up, and also if you like this video and the other videos on my channel, it would be great if you can please subscribe, and in this way obviously you help me to support my channel and make other videos for you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.